First, turn off the machine and lift the squeegee. Clean the recovery tank and drain the wastewater. Remove the flushing filter and empty thoroughly with clean water. Remove the clean water tank filter and drain the clean water tank. Remove the brush splash guard. Remove the brush and clean any dirt on the brush. Then rinse the brush with water. Clean the splash guard. If the brush is severely worn, it should be replaced. First, disconnect the vacuum hose. Then remove the squeegee. Wipe the squeegee blade with a towel or rinse it directly with water. If the blade is severely worn, it should be replaced. Release the latch. Loosen the anti-collision wheel nuts and remove the two anti-collision wheels. Remove the two locking plates from the squeegee blade. Then remove the squeegee blade. Then flip the squeegee blade upside down. Then align the holes on the squeegee blade and reinstall the blade onto the squeegee assembly. Then reinstall the two locking plates onto the squeegee blade. Finally, lock the latch. Align the two anti-collision wheels, tighten the screws and nuts, and reinstall them onto the squeegee assembly. The squeegee blade replacement is now complete. Then, reinstall the squeegee onto the machine. Wipe the machine body with a damp cloth or a multi-purpose cleaner. Avoid using high-pressure water or hoses too. Clean the machine to prevent damage to electronic parts, to protect the battery and ensure performance. Recharge only after more than 30 minutes of use. Clean the clean water tank filter. Open the battery connector cover and check whether the terminals are loose or corroded. If so, tighten them and clean thoroughly. Check and clean the recovery tank seal. Replace if damaged. Spray dry lubricant on all pivots and rollers. Then add waterproof oil to keep them smooth. Check all nuts and bolts for looseness. Check the machine for water leaks.